Hi there, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we're going to be attempting this Junior Maths Olympiad question. And trust me when I say this question is just long for nothing. It's very simple. All right, we're going to start from that end. So we have log into bracket 10 plus 3 root 10. So we'll start resolving from that end. So plus log, remember that plus means multiplication, right, in logarithm. So we're going to multiply these terms. So we have 10 plus root 90 plus root 90 multiplied by 10 minus 90 plus root 90 all in root. All right. So looking at these expressions, you can see that they are conjugates here. So since they are conjugates, it means we can use difference of two squares to express them. So it means that this is actually plus log. Since they are difference of two squares, or product of, they are difference of two squares, we can use difference of two squares to rewrite them. Is that okay? This is what I mean. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So you can see that it looks like this plus a plus b and a minus b, isn't it? So it can become a squared minus b squared. So let it become this 10 squared minus all of this squared. So if you square all of this, it's going to give us this back, isn't it? So and it's going to give us 90 plus root 90. So it will give us the same expression but without the roots now. Is that okay? Because square will cancel square root. And this is going on 10 squared is going to be 100. Is that okay? So both of these will be in brackets. And we have log of 10 plus 3 root 10. Alright. So from here we can further say that this will become log of 10 plus 3 root 10 plus log of the minus is going to be in brackets log of 100 minus 90 minus root 90, close brackets. Then this minus is going to give us 10, so we have log of 10 minus root 90. So from here, we can multiply these expressions again by rule of logarithm so that we have log of 10 plus 3 root 10, log of 3 root 10, into bracket 10 minus root 90. So we open this bracket, then we have log of this by this will give us 100. This by this will give us minus 10 root 90. And this by this would give us 30 root 10. That will be positive 30 root 10. Then this by this will give us minus 3. That is plus times minus minus. Then here, 10 root 10 times root 90, that will be root 900. And root 900 is 30. So 30 by 3 is 90. Is that okay? Let's just write that. Then from here we can have that log of 100 minus, this can be written in this form because this means root 9 by 10. Is that okay? So root 9 is 3, so that's 3 root 10. So 10 times 3 root 10 gives us what? 30 root 10. Is that okay? Then plus 30 root 10. So this takes care of this, right? And minus 90. So we therefore have log of 100 minus 90, which is log 10. So that becomes what? Log 10 is 10, and that is what? That is 1. So that'll be it for this video. Do well to subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification to get notified whenever I drop a new content like this. God bless you.